What's up, everybody? It's a beautiful day here in Millennium Park. I am right in front of the Bean, as it is colloquially known. It's actually called Cloud Gate, but just so, our pipes start out like little beans. Little gray pieces of granulate go through our extrusion line and get pushed out the other side and come out cylinders like our pipes. We add little black beans for the black UV pipes, but be aware that both the gray and the black are UV tested to UL 1738 and ULC S636, so you can use both of them outdoors, and the black is just an aesthetic choice.